Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are doing great. Welcome to my channel. Today we learn how to view private Instagram account without following them. So guys, this is very simple process. Everyone can do it very easily. So first we tap on Instagram and tap on profile, tap on settings and tap on privacy, and you can turn on your private account. My account is not private because my account is convert on professional account. So yeah, and tap on Google and search private account your Instagram. You can see these websites, so you don't use these website for private account because these very scamful accounts. So I hope you will understand. You have two very simple technique. First you following them and she's accept your request, and then you can view account. So yeah, I hope you like the video and this video is helpful for you. So guys, please subscribe my channel, like the video and leave the comment below, and don't forget to press the bell icon for new videos update. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.